Hello students, welcome to VBPS online e-learning classes. This video is a computer video. So today I am going to start the new chapter 5, Advanced Feature in Excel. So students, take out your computer book and open the page number 50. See, chapter 5, Advanced Features of Excel. Students, today I am going to start the new topic, chart. So the chart is a graphical representation of the data in a worksheet. A graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. It's help to provide the better understanding of large quantity of data. Charts make easier to draw, comparison and see growth and relationship among the values and trends in a data. This is the effective way and the easiest way to display the difference, comparison to see the growth and relationship among values and trends in a data. It provides an accurate analysis of information. This is the way of accurate way to analyze the data. So today start the topic components of chart. Components of chart. Let us about the various components of the chart that are the first is the chart area. First component is the chart area. See the chart area. The chart area includes all the area and objects in a chart. All the area and objects in a chart. Second, categories axis. See here, this is the categories axis. See, all of you show na? These are the categories axis. Categories axis or the y-axis to horizontal axis of a chart. This row is a vertical axis and this is a horizontal axis. X, Y, Z. So X is a horizontal axis and display the category axis. Value axis. Third point is a value axis. Value axis or y-axis or vertical axis is used to plot the values. See the y values. All the values are represent the y-axis. The vertical axis value, it is located on the left side. On the left side it is located. Value side it is located the left side. Now next point is a data series. Data series are the bar, slice or the other elements that shows data values and the multiple data series in a chart. Have a different color shows. See the different colors are shows na. Categories name. Categories name are the name label in which display or the y-axis. See the categories name. The student records are represented in a chart. So this is name is marks. For example, plot area. Plot area is the window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself, includes the plotted data. Series like categories and value axis. These are the plot area. See, this area is a plot area. Legends, the color pattern symbol assigned to the data series, it helps the data. Legend, this is the legend. There are the different symbols are represent to the pattern, color, symbol assigned the data series. Okay. Now next point is a chart title. Chart title is represent the most top portion. It describes the aim of and content of the chart. Next and last line is grid line. Grid line, these can either be horizontal and vertical line depending on the selected chart. They extend across the plot area of the chart. These are the grid lines. See, these lines are the showing now. This is a grid line. Now next point is a types of chart. There are the different types of chart in MS Excel. So first chart is a bar chart, second is a column chart, third is a line chart, and fourth area chart. Fifth is a XY chart, pie chart. These are the types of charts. Okay, bar chart. Bar chart is a rectangular rod. This rectangular called bar. Long rectangular rod called the bar chart. Vertical axis and value are represent the horizontal axis. This is called a bar chart. Column chart. Column chart are the displaying data shown the different period of time. It is a by default chart of MS Excel. Column chart is a by default chart in MS Excel are showing. Line chart are used the line of data equal. Area chart is the unique version of line and column chart. Student, this XY chart, this chart has two values. One set numeric is displayed along the horizontal axis and another set represented by the vertical y-axis assigned depending on the variables. And last one is a pie chart. Pie chart, see the pie chart. The chart is displayed, the data is in the form of a circle, is divided into the series of segment. This segment shows the relative size of the each items in a chart. It always shows only one data series of, and the useful when you want to the elements of the display of the chart. The chart types work best of the smaller number of the value. Pie chart is a circle that divided into the different types of series. Students, I think all of you understood the two topics are in cover. Components are components of the chart and types of charts. So all of you read again. Thank you all of you.